right, YouTube, what's going on? We got a treat for you today. We're taking out the Outcast 8S Max 4 Hobby Wing 1100 kV motor, and we're taking out the Traxxas x-maxx Max 5 Hobby Wing stock motor. We're about to get it in. We're calling this Super Send It Sundays. Let's go. All right, we're gonna try this camera once too, see if it works. All right, it says it's recording. Here we go. We're out here and we're calling this Super Send It Sunday. A little onboard footage real quick. Ain't had her out for a minute, let her stretch her legs. She's only on 8S. Alright, that's enough of that onboard footage stuff. I'm ready to jump this thing. I ain't had my ramp out in forever. It's been muddy. Alright, hold on, we're here for. We're here to jump stuff. So, it's been a while. I'm rusty probably. Sure is. Oh Lord, that's a pull. Wow, that was rough. Rough ass landing. Wow, why did it do that? Hold on, let me retrieve that. Oh, we broke it. There it went. That was awesome as hell. I think we finally broke an arm, y'all. Finally got us an arm. Maybe a pin. Let's see what broke. That's a big beast landing down like that. We broke. Well, just been
about 40 pounds, man?
about 45, yeah. It's pretty awesome, ain't it, bro?
Yeah, about fucking 15, man.
I got another one down at the house twice size this.
15, 24, that's a good air, man.
I just been a hinge pin right there, so that one's done, but I'll break out the other one. It ain't gonna work without the motor lead or battery plugged in all the way, so there we go. Oh, I forgot she's a clicker now too. Something's clicking on her. Let's just get right to it. X-maxx, baby! Oh, nose heavy. Who don't love an x-maxx? Good old x-maxx thrashing. X-maxx loves it, baby. See when he's cool. Oh no. All right, let's get back at it. Ah, shit, did it again. Hold on, it got me hoofing all over the track. Oh, she's a really clicker now. Bring her around here. Oh no. Oh, she is not happy. Oh! What the hell are you doing, Kenny? I looked at traffic and about killed it. Dumbass. Let's get one of these vantage points right here. Let's check some footage real quick. What the world? All right, boys and girls, we're back. Everything this thing does is just golden anymore. Gotta love her. Let's go back here and send it a couple times. Oh, that diff is not happy. Missed the ramp. Oh no. Oh, let me ask y'all this. What do y'all think of Super Send Sundays so far? It's the first of hopefully many. Let's really send her. Let's come from back here out of the intersection. Oh, that diff is not happy. Yes! Sending it, boy! Super Send It Sunday! No, it wouldn't be a Super Send It Sunday without me trying some shenanigans. Here we go. Oh, baby! Get you some of that. Shenanigans. My finger even slid out of the trigger. I put my finger back in and hit it again still, y'all. I swear on it. That was nuts. Boom! That was sweet. Oh, baby, did you see that, y'all? What? All right, y'all, let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. X-maxx don't want me to keep it rolling. I guarantee you that. He's not happy with me. Good for another big boy front flip like that, y'all. I'm gonna get it from over here if I can. That was no good. Let's try it again. Let's try that again. That was not it, folks. Here we go. Beautiful. Quick rundown of the killer X-maxx. Hot racing piggybacks in the back, hot racing cover, diff cover back down there, full hot racing bell crank and steering and top plate up here. It's got RPM arms on the bottom. It's got Vitavon diff covers front and back. It's got stock motor now, Max 5 hobby wing, running on CNHL 6600 milliamps, M2C top plate, M2C hub extenders, aluminum hubs and knuckles, and it's got M2C chassis brace. And she is just proving herself worthy out here today, ain't she, folks? Crazy. I took this big motor out of it and all the other stuff, and this thing ain't broke since. Crazy. So, what y'all think of Super 6 Sunday so far? Or Super Send It Sunday? Super 6 Send It Sunday. What? Yeah, y'all think y'all a little more live action, and we're gonna head it on in. Oh yeah, she ready to go again. Look at her. X-maxx don't care. Yeah, she does actually. Motor is not happy with me, y'all. That motor, I think it might be the motor making all that noise. Oh, yeah, going out was brutal. Whoopsie. Yeah, I think we're in due for another motor. Handing into diff gear. With authority. All right, y'all. Let's get her a real big girl here. Get her a real big girl hit here. Full speed, full power hit. Oh, nose heavy as heck. Let's try a little fronty flip. Oh, that didn't go off as planned. Oh, yep, last jump, boys and girls. Super 6 Send It Sunday. All right, one more big one, and we're out of here. Oh, that was so bad. Broke it, yep. Look at that, y'all. Always that last one to get you, ain't it? Look at that. Always that last damn one to get you. I don't even care. I had so much fun out here today, y'all. Super 6 Sundays it is. I got arms at home, I think. If not, I'll get some new ones. Man, y'all, Welcome to Super Sick Send It Sundays. What y'all think? Let's go. That's gonna do it for this one. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out, y'all.